Hey warriors, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this super easy, vegan-friendly lunch or dinner. It's packed with nutrition, protein, and you probably have all the ingredients in your house already. Let's get started. So here's what you'll need: some chickpeas and tahini. It's a great plant-based protein, healthy and great fat source. 1 ripe avocado for creamy and full nutrients. Fresh cucumber, crisp, refreshing, and cheap. Also, you'll need a beefsteak tomato. For seasoning, we'll be using organic lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, garlic salt and onion powder, red pepper flakes, black pepper, and water. As we're slicing up our other ingredients, go ahead and put your bread in the toaster. First, let's slice up our cucumbers nice and thin. This gives a great crunch without overpowering the flavors. If you want to save time during the week, you can pre-slice a few cucumbers and leave them in the container in the fridge. Feel free to buy your own store-bought hummus, but if you like to make it from home, watch as I add these ingredients into the food processor. Now we'll go ahead and start layering all our ingredients onto the bread. So good. And the best part? You can customize this however you like. Add some sprouts, roasted veggies, anything lying around your house. If you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more easy vegan meals. And let me know in the comments, what would you like for me to make next that's budget friendly and healthy? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless.